Animal Mechanical Mission Time!
Animal Mechanicals, we Animal Mechanical can!
Rex Mechana Strong!
Unicorn! Mechana Fly!
Komodo, Mechana Gizmo!
Mouse! Mechana Fast!
Sasquatch, Mechana Stretchy!
Animal Mechanicals, Mechana can we do it? We Animal Mechanical can! We Animal Mechanical can!
Dino Mountain Island.
Animal Mechanical Mission Time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today.
All right.
Great!
Yeah!
Your destination is Dino Mountain Island.
Cool! A dinosaur mountain!
The dinosaur has a cog stuck in its teeth, and it's giving it a very bad toothache.
Ouch! Poor dinosaur.
Your mission is to go all the way up to the top of Dino Mountain.
The top? The tippy top?
Yes. Then remove the cog from the dino's tooth. Mechana, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are, Dino Mountain Island.
Whoa! The Dino Mountain is really tall.
It's not really tall. It's really, really tall.
Come on, Sasquatch.
Oh.
Fascinating. The Dino Mountain spine is an escalator.
All we need to do is hop on for a ride to the top.
We're not going up.
And we're running as fast as we can.
If you observe, you will notice that instead of going up, these stairs are going down.
What do you mean?
I mean, whatever you do, don't stop.
Don't what?
Ooh, stop. Don't stop.
Oh, why didn't you say so?
Whoa!
How are we supposed to go up a down escalator?
It's impossible. We should go home.
Nothing's impossible for Animal Mechanicals.
It's a challenge.
And challenges are fun.
We just have to find a way to make the stairs go up instead of down.
Maybe that big green button does something.
The arrow on the button goes up.
Do you think the button makes the escalator go up?
Yes. So all we have to do is press the button.
Nothing happened.
The escalator is still going down.
Look at this.
A big red button.
The dinosaur is stepping on it.
What's it do?
I am unsure. But whatever it does, it is going to keep doing it until we can stop the Dino Mountain's foot from pushing it down.
Down! That's it! This must be the down button.
Right. That's why the escalator keeps going down. Because the Dino Mountain keeps on pushing it.
Yeah, right.
Therefore, we merely need to lift this foot.
It's too heavy.
Who's strong enough to lift it?
I'm the animal mechanical for this job, Rex. Mechana strong!
Strong like a titanium Tyrannosaurus! The escalator has stopped!
Yeah! Now all we have to do is push the up button and...
The escalator goes up.
Yeah! Woo! All right, let's ride!
To the top. Yay!
The top!
Yeah!
The tippy top. Whoa!
Wow!
What a view! Let's get that cog out of the dinosaur's tooth.
Yikes! Whoa! It's so high up here, I can't look down.
Sasquatch?
Ah! Oh, it's you, Mouse. Phew.
What's wrong?
All right, I'll admit it. I'm scared of heights. There, I said it.
That's okay. Everybody is afraid of something. You can hold my hand if you want to.
Thanks, Mouse. We can do this.
The cog's right down there. All we have to do is reach down and...
Too far for me. That's quite a stretch.
Me too! Who's stretchy enough to reach down there?
Did someone say stretch?
Huh? You must be hearing things.
Don't worry, Sasquatch. We'll all help you. And I won't tell anyone that you're afraid of heights.
You're afraid?
Me? Afraid? No way. Whoa, tippy top! I can do this! Bring it on! Sasquatch! Mechana stretchy! Hold me tight. Here I go.
Stretchy like a big rubber monkey!
Woohoo! Stretch, Sasquatch! Stretch!
How's it going down there, Sasquatch?
Just a little bit further. Yikes! Tippy top, tippy top. I can do this. Okay, Cog. Out you go. Got it! Pull me up!
Woohoo! Yes! Animal Mechanicals, mission accomplished.
Thanks to Sasquatch.
Aw, I had lots of help.
I just thought of something. The escalator got us up. But how are we supposed to get down?
The down button is at the bottom, and we're at the top.
The Dino Mountain says he can help. Look, a super slide. Awesome. Thanks, Dino Mountain.
Woohoo! Yes! Looks like we're sliding down.
Sasquatch, are you afraid to slide down?
No, I'm not afraid to slide down. But I'd much rather bounce down. Woohoo!
Well, what are we waiting for? Time for a super slide ride. Mechana, can we do it?
We animal Mechanical Can!
Chickadee Island.
Animal Mechanical Mission Time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today.
Yeah!
Right.
Your destination is Chickadee Island. It's egg-laying time.
Goody!
Your mission is to help Mama Chickadee make sure all her little chickadee eggs hatch.
We'll help.
You'd better hurry. The eggs are starting to hatch. McKenna, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical Can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are, Chickadee Island.
That is a very big chickadee.
I think she's going to lay an egg.
Whoa! Look, the egg is hatching. Beep, beep, beep.
It's flying to the birdhouse.
Everything seems to be running smoothly. I don't know why the Island Owl thought we needed to help.
I don't know. It looks like she's slowing down.
I think you're right, Sasquatch. Mama Chickadee is having trouble laying her next egg.
I believe I see the reason why. Her key is winding down.
And her key makes her go. Just like the keys on the baby chickadees. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep.
It stopped.
We need to wind her key up for her.
I can't reach that high.
Neither can I.
Who can reach way up there?
Huh? Hmm?
It's quite a stretch.
Wait a minute. I just had an idea. I can stretch up there. Stand aside and behold the mighty Sasquatch. Macana Stretchy.
Wow, that's stretchy.
Stretchy like a big rubber monkey.
Whoa.
You're almost there. Just a little further.
There's plenty more stretch in Sasquatch. Watch this. Gotcha.
It's working. She's laying her egg.
Still too slow. This'll speed things up.
Sasquatch, it is not a good idea to wind that chickadee up anymore.
The windier, the faster. Just a few more turns. There.
I think you overwound her, Sasquatch.
Well, go on, Birdie. Lay your egg.
Whoa, that's the biggest egg I've ever seen.
I told you it wasn't a good idea to wind that bird up too much.
Forget it.
Uh-oh, the egg.
It's going to fall off the edge of the nest.
Catch it!
Got it.
Dropped it. It's hatching. Sort of.
We have to bring the egg back to the nest so it can finish hatching.
After that egg!
Grab it!
Don't let it go. Whoa.
The egg is running straight for the birdhouse.
It's going to crash right into it. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep.
We've got to stop it, or we'll have a giant scrambled egg!
Someone needs to catch it.
But who's fast enough?
Is that a challenge? Because Animal Mechanicals love a challenge. No! Mechana fast!
Go, Mouse, go! Faster!
I can do this! Gotcha!
Yay!
The egg's gonna crash into us!
Ah! Run away!
Good work, Mouse!
Let's get the egg back on the nest.
It's too heavy.
Who's strong enough to lift it up?
I'm the animal mechanical for this job! Rex! Mechana strong!
Yes! Rex is the strongest!
Strong like a titanium tyrannosaurus.
I love watching Rex lift heavy stuff.
It's heavy!
You can do it, Rex! Animal Mechanicals can do anything!
I can!
Rex did it!
Oh,
It's hatching!
Stand back. This is gonna be one big baby chickadee.
Aw, it's cute!
We helped hatch all the chickadees.
Animal mechanicals, mission accomplished!
The big baby chickadee is too big to fit in its house.
Looks like we have a giant chickadee house to build. Mechana, can we do it? We
Animal Mechanical can!